Hi, my name is Rahul Srivastav and I welcome you all to my channel. Now in today's video, we'll be learning something very important on the function of subtotal. Now there are two parts of subtotal. One subtotal I have already explained you in my previous video. You can go to my previous videos and watch the function of subtotal. Now this subtotal that we are going to learn today is something different. But before knowing that, let us first understand the brief concept of the Excel chart. Now, as you can see here, I am having the zone name, branch code, category and target. Now, my requirement is I need to total the rural branches target. Now, before that, I need to apply filter and then I will be applying the sum function. This is what all of you would be doing. Now, but before that, just see what is the sum total of this, of rural and urban both. It is coming to 19,88,000. Just remember this. Now, as I said earlier, my requirement is that I want the total of rural branches. So I'll simply select the cell and I'll apply filter. Once I applied filter, I'll again apply filter on rural branches and then I'll simply write the sum function and then I'll select my reference cell, which is my target, and then I'll press enter button. Now just look at here, look at this data. I'll color this for you. I'll also increase the size for you. Now just look at this colored data. This is again coming to 19,88,000 rupees, which was same for rural and urban branches. Now since this sheet contains only 4 to 5 rows, so you are able to see the mistake over here. But had the data been in thousands, just imagine, this blunder can cost you so much. So to avoid this blunder, what is the solution? The solution is, once you have applied the filter data over here you need to, instead of applying the function of sum, you need to type here the function subtotal and then you will press tab button. After that you will press 9. Why 9? That we'll learn in our subsequent videos. For the time being, you press only 9 and then you will select the reference cell. Now once you have done this and once you press enter button, you see your results are exactly what rural branches do denote, that is 15,45,667 rupees. So just avoid this mistake by applying the function of subtotal and be guided with this subtotal. In our subsequent videos, I'll be telling you the more details of subtotal function, like why we have used 9 and why not other numerical functions. So I hope this video was useful to you. Do share this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos on Excel series. Thank you. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.